Hi, my name is Suresh Radhakrishnan. I'm the founder and chief tea officer of a brand, Chaikanth, and I also run a digital community where I help people to start modern tea outlets. So I've been running this community for almost more than a year, I must say, but I've been working with Vishnu for the last 7 8 months. He's very consistent and he's always a go-getter. Whenever you stuck up with something and you know Facebook, right? It's crazy, right? They keep changing algorithms and you get stuck at some point. So he's an expert in Facebook marketing, but more than that, he understands what sort of a business that we are into, and he focuses on that on a consistent basis. He adapts to change consistently. So and is very prompt, so whenever you approach him for any help, any support, the responsiveness is really admiring, I must say. That's very important for a business to grow further. You must listen to your customers. You must always think ahead of your customers. So I think Vishnu is doing a fantastic job. Kudos to your efforts, Vishnu. I must say, one of the very few Facebook marketers who talk common sense. Okay, so you don't talk jargons. You understand in the language that customer can relate with, and keep going. All the best. Best wishes. May your business grow multifold in the coming years. Thank you so much.